lovies, welcome back to a brand new video. Guess what? Today is Saturday, the weekend is here. Yes guys, I'm going to get ready to run some errands and I want you to keep me company. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's get on with this vlog. This morning, I've been very reflective, thinking about everything that I've been facing and just really reminiscing about the attitudes and decisions I should have made in my life. And because, when you have a very kinded heart, people actually take advantage of you. I'm not advocating for people to be mean or anything like that, but have boundaries, guys. We're going to talk about boundaries. Having boundaries is very important. Don't do anything that you don't feel that is safe or right to do, or when people are forcing themselves into you or trying to convince you, you should be alarmed by that, and that is definitely a red flag that you should run away from. Guys, it's very important that you understand certain things that comes your way in terms of dealing with people. We are the only race, or the only, in religious terms, we didn't come from an animal. The whole say that we are the only animal in the animal kingdom that kill each other, pull the rug off other people's feet, whereas the lion and the zebras and the monkeys and other species, they don't do that to themselves. We are the only one. But if you are Christian, or if you believe anything that other than the scientific definition or what human beings are or they came from, we are spiritual beings, okay? Yes, we are fearfully and wonderfully made in the image of God. Okay, my loves. And so I was saying to you guys that, you can have a bunch of friends or people that you think they're friends, but when you are facing a difficulty situation, you're really going to know what your friends, because not a lot of people would hold your hand for a very long period of time when you are down. Okay, so guys, I'm here doing a bit of self-care, skincare. I had my shower, and this Chanel product is actually to remove your makeup and stuff. It's like has got a milky consistency, and it's so soothing and very nice. I use that to sort of moisturize my skin. Hair, I'm just going with a BB cream. Don't want to wear foundation. I find these BB creams to be has got good coverage. It's not like you cement my face, but it, as you guys can see here, if you observe, it really sort of sinks into the skin and gives a nice coverage and also glow to the skin. I bought this one from TK Maxx, but when it runs out, I'm going to definitely look online, because it became my everyday type of sort of base that I use for my face. Rather than using foundation, I tend to wear the BB cream by L'Oreal, or the other one I've shown you already. Going with these, it's like cream to powder. It's similar to the ones that we used to buy from MAC, but it's a bit more dusty, and it's by Elf. The pigment, I thought it matched me perfectly, but I find it's quite sort of a dark, but but after a little while, it kind of sort of all works out okay. Yeah, my one is a camel. Is it camel? Yeah, that's how you say it, right? Yes, so that's by Elf. I'm going to look at some other products by Elf as well. I used to buy them when I first started my channel many years ago. Then I kind of stopped. I've got plenty of makeup that I did do a declutter as well. Threw a lot of stuff away. Some of the lip gloss especially were like stinging my lips after a while. It just goes off, right? Yeah, so makeup also expire, but I tend to wear the eyeshadows. The eyeshadows are not too bad. Yeah, guys, so just here trying to, I think I was recording for my Instagram. Guys, start following me on Instagram as well. Hopefully the channel will take off and more people also will show me support in my other platforms. I haven't put nothing, like I've got a few videos on TikTok. Everything is at Nusha Styles, guys. TikTok as well as Instagram. Okay, I do not have Twitter or any other, you know, sort of what's that the other one that people use? I don't know. There's plenty, but I have got three: YouTube and TikTok as well as Instagram, but I haven't been active. About things are about to change. Things are about to change. So I'm just lining my my brows here. Yeah. Oh, that's lovely. Really good. Okay, I'll leave you to it then. We talk a bit later. Okay. Take care. Oh, bye. That's my Christian family, guys. I don't know what's up with them. The lighting is a bit dodgy. Okay, I'm just going to go with this foundation, quite dark. I just want to contour my face a little bit so it's not too fatty. Okay. Just like that. Just darken a little bit. Yeah. I think for today, some mascara just to run errands and stuff. I love this dark color hair. My sister gave this to me. I think she said it's Brazilian waves, but it reminds me of my daughter's hair. My daughter's original hair before it got damaged. Yeah. So a bit of a mascara. And I might pop to Primark. Yeah. To get something. Yeah. See you in a bit. Think just the look. I'll be back with my casual look. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so our channel can grow and more people will enjoy these videos. You have to like and smash the like button and subscribe. What about that? Thank you, guys. And like a wearing this white jacket. I thrifted on Vinted. I bought a bundle for my lady of different things, but I'm gonna take you guys outside to have a look. The completely casual look.